Hey guys, Red Mono Review here with you. Today we went out to Burraston Ponds out by Mona in Utah. The kayak I'm on right now is the Equinox 10.4 that you buy from Costco. Costco has them. This is last year's model, that's why it's yellow. This year's model is a green one. They're really great kayaks, they're really stable. Here you can see my kids. They're in the Sun Dolphin Aruba 8. And you can see it fits both of them just fine. This pond is a pretty neat pond. It's crystal clear. And here we are just paddling down the lake a little ways. We'll run into some birds here. Some birds fly by. I got the speed up to 2 times just so we don't bore you to death. You can see the birds. There's a lot of birds flying through there. This is a Utah Division of Wildlife refuge for birds and fish. So there's a blackbird that just flew by. There's Mount Nebo, the mountains out there to the left. The pond's pretty big. It goes and wraps around down those trees and to the left a little ways. It's pretty neat. It's, like I said earlier, I think it's pretty crystal clear. And I put the camera in pretty soon and show the bottom. You can see the bottom of the lake. It's probably only 6 feet deep, so it's not very deep. Well, a little bit more about this kayak. The kayak that you get from Costco, it's got the shock cords up in the front. It's got them in the back. It's also got a dry bag in the back that you can put in. There's actually a little pouch, a little round pouch in the front. It's just out of camera sight that you can put a few things in, like your cell phone or something small like that if you'd like. I've been really impressed with this kayak though. Here we are looking down. This kind of gives you a shot of what the bottom looks like. So it's pretty clear. I don't know what kind of fish are in it, but there's definitely a lot of people fishing it because there's a lot of line and stuff scattered throughout the area. I would assume there's bass in it. So now we're just paddling back. We saw a bunch of muskrats, sandhill crane, a bunch of different birds, and the muskrat. Here I am just paddling through the reeds. It's probably only about 6 inches deep right there, so these kayaks will go in really shallow water, which is an awesome benefit for having them. Just paddling back. Paddle back through and under the bridge, and then we'll head over to the other side. This Equinox 10.4, it's a lot more stable than the 8-foot Aruba. It's got a lot wider platform to it too. And the Equinox comes with a paddle, which comes with a lot better paddle than I bought for the Aruba. There's the wife taking pictures, getting eaten by bugs. There was a lot of bugs out there. You can see how calm the water is. It's just glass, and it's reflecting off. It's just glass and reflects. Oh, here's a little water squirter I found. Someone threw one of those dollar store water squirters in the lake. Now we're going back. Kids are getting out of the kayak and letting the wife jump in it. Look at that. What a beautiful sight. Looks like a painting. Only ripples in the water from me. This Burraston Ponds is another pretty cool thing about it. It's got a tree that the teenagers jump off of over on the other side, and it's got a rope a swing rope that you can swing into the lake and swim. I think these are a warm spring, so they don't freeze over in the winter time. And there's a bunch of little docks, like the one you see there, throughout the pond. We got there pretty late. It's starting to get dark now, so the bugs were all over the place. There's another blackbird I was trying to get close to. If you haven't tried kayaking, it's worth a try. I've really enjoyed it. It's been really fun, a fun hobby to go do. I just throw them on top of my car. I bought some generic Yakima racks that I put them on top of and strap them down. That works pretty good. And right here, my fake GoPro goes dead. So, just like my computer's going dead. So there's only a few seconds left. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you check out the Equinox 10.4 from Costco. They're really great kayaks. Even that Aruba SS you can pick it up at Walmart. It's pretty good. Well, Red Mono Review. Thanks, guys. Bye.